this is the nice one. You see that? Get the hook in. All right, look. As long as he don't jump. If he jumps, we might lose him.
He's getting mad.
Look at that. Look at that.
Is that one we can eat?
Yep.
What is it called?
It's a trout. Whoa.
Trout?
Yeah, it's a trout.
Got him.
Mm-hmm.
Now we've got 6 or 5.
5, I think.
I think it's 6.
No, it's 5.
Look how big the dot over.
Really? Here. You feel him. Bring him up here.
He's
Good.
like a hardy head.
No, yeah, that's a trout.
There, we got like 6 trouts.
Mm-hmm. Real. That's a good trout. Real. Look, get your pole up. Let him jump. There you go. Up on the bank. What do you think?
Don't you dare, dude.
What do you think? One more?
How much do we owe right now? 7?
I think 7. Our limit is 8. You feel me. Get him up on the bank. There you go.
We caught it.
Barely. Give me 5.
What limit are
Boom.
we
That's
on?
it. We're done.
What limit are we